here that looks like it's clogged up and it has a leak. Look at that now. Okay, so the leak is fairly deep down. It took just a minute to get up here. Looks like it's got some, definitely has a lot of mineral deposits coming up. You can see it in the water. Okay, and then the drain itself. All right, we're gonna have to move this pedestal here. All right, I moved the pedestal out of the way so I can see what's going on here. So this is leaking here. Got some water that's coming out. This is also loose here on the wall. I'm gonna tighten these bolts down. Wow, there's a lot of backup there. Look at that. Look at all that coming up. It's pretty wild looking. I don't think I've seen that much mineral deposits in coming back up like that in a pipe, but it's slowly, barely going down. So we're gonna snake that out and see what we can do on that. We'll change this drain out as well. We're gonna pull all this apart at one time.
So I text.
All right, so we're snaking it out. We're getting the hair coming up. I've ran a whole 50 feet down to the subfloor, all into the sewer. So it just was all clear and breaking up all the hair. All right, so we unclogged it. As you can see, it's draining really fast and good. Bam, nice and fast. And as for the leaks, now that we have this out of the way, we can see everything clearly and it's perfectly dry. No leaks anywhere. We had a lot of silicone on here and I got that out of there, cleaned that real good. That was probably causing some of the leak because they had all this silicone in here with a rubber gasket seal here, and that probably was causing the leak. So we cleaned that out real good, got a good perfect seal on it, and looks great. Everything's solved. Last thing to do is tighten this sink down. It's got some wobble on it. All right, now we're tightening this up to the wall because it was really loose, and that could also contribute to leaks, putting tension on the pipes and everything. So we want to get that where it's not bouncing around. All right, yeah, it's getting solid now. Now it's really coming together. Let's tighten that up some more though. It's feeling pretty good. Now it's getting pretty tight. Definitely needed this. All right, let me see how it feels now. Okay, maybe a little more on this side and we should be good. Just had a slight little move on this side. All right. Ah, that's much better. Yep. Okay, I think I'll turn it one more little small time just for that extra little, but not too much. We want to break that porcelain or anything, so just one more time and we're good to go. That's it. Yep. All right, there we are. Got the base back under there. Putting that back where it belongs. There we go. That's real solid too, real solid. Yep.